Want to secure your PLDT fiber modem? Changing the default login password is the first step. In this video, I'll show you how to change the login password on your PLDT fiber modem in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Connect and login PLDT modem. Connect your PLDT modem or router using Wi-Fi or wired from Ethernet port, PC or laptop. Open a web browser and type 192.168.100.1 or your router's IP address printed on the sticker. Log in using your admin username and password. Find default username password printed on the sticker. Now navigate to the System Tools from top or side menu. Under System Tools, go to Modify Login Password. Here you will get option to change your login password. Enter your current password in the box Old Password. Then create your new strong password, at least 8 characters with letters and numbers. Confirm new password. Then click Apply button to save settings. You've changed your PLDT fiber modem password. For more tech tutorials, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.